In his Christmas Day message, former President Rodrigo Duterte asked, a big gathering of supporters in Davao City, 50,000 daw, 50,000 strong, not to abandon his family, reminding them that we have not done you any wrong. The patriarch of the political family who had governed the city practically for 4 decades, in my years as mayor, vice mayor, congressman, and then president, I have never forgotten your interests. As president, the grandest that I have given you could be the Davao City Coastal Bypass Road. Don't abandon the Dutertes because the Dutertes had never forsaken you. Uy, wow! 40 years! Grabe! At hindi man lang napantayan ng Davao City ang Maynila. Hindi ako naniniwala dun sa I have never forsaken you. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi documented kasi na sinabi ni Digong sa mga taga Davao, mga taga Davao, pasensya na po hindi ko kayo uunahin. Hindi ko kayo uunahin. Unahin ko muna yung iba. Oo, una muna si Xi Jinping. Ano ba?